Hello everyone. Welcome to all of you in FFB Life Chemistry classes. I hope everything is fine. Take care in this pandemic season. Now we discuss on the chapter एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन। एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन चैप्टर पे डिस्कशन चल रहा है, जिसमें पिछले क्लास में हमने केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन्स पे कई रिएक्शंस पे डिस्कस किया था। आज हम सेकेंड सीरीज़ है उन्हीं रिएक्शंस की। कुछ रिएक्शन जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा रिएक्शन है, बहुत अच्छा चैप्टर है इस बारे में। तो बाकी के चैप्टर जो बाकी के रिएक्शंस जो बाकी थे एल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन्स के, आज के क्लास में हम उन रिएक्शंस की बारे में बताएंगे। तो जो रिएक्शंस पहले डिस्कस हुए थे वो भी सारे इम्पॉर्टेंट थे, और जो अभी होने जा रहे हैं वो भी सारे इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं। तो इनके सारे जो एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन्स के रिएक्शंस है वो सब इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं, मेरा ये कहने का मतलब है। तो सारे रिएक्शंस को ध्यान से पढ़ना है, कॉपी में नोट करना है और उसके बाद उसको याद करना है। Now come on the reactions of aldehyde and ketones. जो रिएक्शन डिस्कस हो चुके हैं उसके आगे के रिएक्शंस के बारे में हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे। Now substitution reactions of alkyl group. एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन में एल्किल ग्रुप प्रेजेंट होता है। तो अब जो रिएक्शन हमें देखना है वो सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस ऑफ एल्किल ग्रुप देखना है। The alpha hydrogen atoms of alkyl group in aldehydes and ketones can be replaced by halogen atom, that is halogenation, when heated with halogen in presence of an acid. For example, aldehyde reacts with chlorine in presence of acetic acid. It forms alpha chloroacetaldehyde, यानी कार्बन के बाद का जो पहला हाइड्रोजन है या एक फर्स्ट हाइड्रोजन, उसको क्लोरीन रिप्लेस कर देती है और बनाती है अल्फा क्लोरोएसेटल्डिहाइड NaCl। यहाँ H अलग हो गया जो Cl से रिएक्शन करके HCl बनाता है। इसी तरह एसीटोन ब्रोमीन से रिएक्शन करता है इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसिटिक एसिड। इट फॉर्म्स अल्फा ब्रोमो एसीटोन, यानी एक कार्बन इस CH3 ग्रुप का एक हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस हो जाता है ब्रोमीन से और ये बनाता है हाइड्रोजन HBr। With 1 mole of halogen, the main product obtained is alpha halogeno derivative, but by using excess of halogen, di and tri derivatives are formed. The moist chlorine or bromine reacts with aldehyde and acetone even at room temperature. Moist chlorine reacts with aldehyde, it forms trichloroacetaldehyde। रिएक्शन देख चुके हो पहले भी, N3। तो जब एक्सेस ऑफ क्लोरीन होगा तब इस तरह से रिएक्शन बनेगा, क्लोरल बनेगा। इसी तरह एसीटोन और क्लोरीन का रिएक्शन होता है तो ट्राइक्लोरोएसीटोन बनता है। जबकि when 1 mole of halogen, the main product obtained is alpha halogen derivatives. Similarly, when chlorine or bromine is obtained through warm acetone, a mixture of alpha halogen derivatives is obtained. Acetone reacts with chlorine. With excess of chlorine, it forms alpha chloroacetone plus alpha alpha dichloroacetone, and दो हाइड्रोजन एक एल्किल ग्रुप का रिप्लेस हो जाता है। However, in the presence of base, polyhalogenation occurs. This is free haloform reaction. Formaldehyde does not undergo halogenation and it contains no alkyl group in molecules. So these reactions of the alkyl groups reaction, and formaldehyde does not have any alkyl group, thus then this does not undergo halogenation reaction. Now substitution reaction of benzene nucleus in aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketonic group are meta-directive group and deactivating as they are electron withdrawing. Therefore, usual electrophilic substitution reaction in aromatic aldehydes and ketones occur at meta position. First is halogenation. Halogenation is carried out by the halogen in presence of ferric salt or anhydrous aluminum chloride. Benzaldehyde reacts with chlorine in presence of ferric chloride, anhydrous ferric chloride or anhydrous aluminum chloride. It forms meta position पे chloro group लगता है क्योंकि CHO group is a meta directive group. It forms metachlorobenzaldehyde and HCl. Since halogen oxidizes benzaldehyde to benzoic acid, therefore halogen derivatives of benzaldehyde are prepared by indirect method. Acid, this is acetophenone reacts with bromine. In excess anhydrous aluminum chloride, it forms metabromoacetophenone and HCl. Due to deactivation of ring, the nuclear halogenation is quite difficult in both aromatic aldehyde and ketones since side chain halogenation occurs faster. Thus, benzaldehyde on chlorination in the absence of halogen carrier gives benzoyl chloride. This is because in benzaldehyde there is no alpha hydrogen atom present which could be replaced by chlorine. Therefore, benzaldehyde first gets oxidized to benzoic acid which then convert to benzoyl chlorine or further reaction. तो पहले क्या बनता है बेंजोइक बेंजल्डिहाइड बेंजोइक एसिड पे कन्वर्ट होता है उसके बाद ये लो टेम्परेचर पे बेंजोइल क्लोराइड बनाता है. Similarly, when acetophenone in cold is treated with bromine in ether or in acetic acid medium or in presence of a catalytic amount of aluminum chloride, phenyl bromide is formed which is used as tear gas. Acetophenone reacts with bromine in the presence of ether at 273 Kelvin or a catalytic amount of aluminum chloride, it forms phenyl bromide which is used as tear gas and also formed HBr. Now this compound is tear gas. The second reaction is nitration is carried out by nitrating a mixture of concentrate nitric acid and concentrate sulfuric acid. Benzaldehyde is nitrated with HNO3 in presence of sulfuric acid at low temperature. It forms meta nitrobenzaldehyde and water. Now nitration of benzaldehyde gives a low yield, 50% of meta-nitrobenzaldehyde, since a part of benzaldehyde is oxidized by concentrate HNO3 to benzoic acid. Now acetophenone reacts with HNO3 in presence of H2SO4. It forms meta-nitroacetophenone. Now sulfonation, it is carried out with concentrate sulfuric acid upon heating. When benzaldehyde heat with such concentrate sulfuric acid, it forms meta-benzaldehyde sulfonic acid or meta-formyl benzene sulfonic acid and H2O. Now acetophenone when reacts with concentrate HNO3 or sulfonation takes place, it forms meta-acetophenone sulfonic acid or meta-acetylbenzene sulfonic acid. Now reaction with alkalis. These are also important reactions of aldehyde and ketones. Reaction with alkalis. First is aldol condensation or reaction due to acidity of alpha hydrogen, यानी एल्किल ग्रुप का जो फर्स्ट हाइड्रोजन होगा एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन में वो क्या होता है अल्फा हाइड्रोजन. नाउ रिएक्शन ड्यू टू एसिडिटी ऑफ अल्फा हाइड्रोजन या इसको क्या कहते हैं एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन. It is a chemical reaction in which two or more molecules of same or different carbonyl compounds containing alpha hydrogen unite together in presence of dilute base such as NaOH, barium hydroxide, potassium carbonate, etc. to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. This reaction is called aldol condensation. Further dehydration of aldol occurs readily because of the acidity of alpha hydrogen to give alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone, saturated aldehyde or ketones. Such aldol addition followed by dehydration is known as aldol condensation. Now, self-aldol condensation, it is an important reaction based on acidity of alpha hydrogen of aldehydes or ketones, two molecules. Now, example, acetaldehyde undergoes aldol condensation in presence of dilute caustic alkali or potassium carbonate to form beta hydroxy butylaldehyde or aldol. On heating in presence of dilute acid, dehydration of aldol takes place to give beta unsaturated aldehyde. Now, aldehyde, two molecules of aldehyde, this is the alpha hydrogen of methyl group of aldehyde, यानी जो aldehyde group के बाद का कार्बन है उससे जो अटैच पहला हाइड्रोजन, पहले हाइड्रोजन कार्बन से जो हाइड्रोजन अटैच है वो क्या कहलाता है अल्फा हाइड्रोजन और दूसरा बीटा. इसी तरह से अगर एक और कार्बन होता तो वो बीटा कार्बन होता, तो उससे अटैच ये अल्फा हाइड्रोजन होंगे इस कार्बन से, और इसके बाद अगर होता तो वो बीटा, जो पहले बता चुके हैं. acetaldehyde, two molecules of ethanol, reacts in presence of NaOH or potassium carbonate. It forms aldol, that is acetaldol, or it is known as 3-hydroxybutanol, which on hydrolysis gives but 2-in-1-all. This is crotonaldehyde. Similar condensation takes place with propanol also. Two molecules of propanol, these are propanol, condense in presence of dilute NaOH to form the first 3-hydroxy 2-methyl pentanol or beta hydroxy alpha methyl valeraldehyde, which on hydrolysis gives 2-methyl pent 2-in-1-all or alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, because here double bond is present. Now, acetone undergoes aldol condensation in presence of barium hydroxide. Now, two molecules of acetone in presence of barium hydroxide, it forms diacetone alcohol, yani aldol, which is known IUPAC name 4-hydroxy-4-methyl pentane 2-on, which on hydrolysis reacts with iodine. It loses water molecule and forms macetyl oxide. IUPAC name of macetyl oxide is 4-methyl pent 3-in-2-on. Now, diacetone alcohol loses a water molecule on heating in presence of little iodine and forms macetyl oxide. Now, cross aldol condensation. The aldol condensation of two molecules of same aldehydes or ketone is called self-condensation. The reaction which also takes place between two different aldehydes or ketones or between one aldehyde and one ketone is called crossed or mixed aldol condensation. Now example, that mixture of two aldehydes, that is A ethanol and B propanol, is subjected to mixed aldol condensation in presence of aqueous NaOH. In this condensation, four products are obtained. This is the AA condensation, aldehyde condensation. This is ethanol and this is the propanol. Condensed in presence of dilute NaOH, it forms aldol, that is 3-hydroxybutanol, which on hydrolysis give but2-ene-1L. This is crotanaldehyde. This is unsaturated aldehyde. Now BB condensation. यहाँ पे क्या है? Propanol, two molecules of propanol reacts in presence of dilute NaOH. It forms 3-hydroxy 2-methyl pentanol, which on the structure of this compound, which on hydrolysis gives 2-methylene pen-2-ene-1. All this is unsaturated aldehyde. This is known as BB condensation because two molecules, their same molecules, are condensed. AB condensation, ethanol and propanol. And acetaldehyde and propanaldehyde, two different aldehyde condensed in presence of dilute NaOH. It forms 3-hydroxy 2-methylbutanol, which on hydrolysis gives 2-methylbutene. तो पहले ये सेचुरेटेड एल्डिहाइड में कन्वर्ट होता है और बाद में ये अनसेचुरेटेड एल्डिहाइड में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. नाउ BA कंडेंसेशन यानी हायर aldehyde reacts with lower aldehyde. This is propanol and this is the ethanol. Condensed in presence of dilute NaOH, it forms 3-hydroxypentanol, which converted into pen-2-ene-1L on hydrolysis. Now, formaldehyde, benzaldehyde, and benzophenone do not undergo aldol condensation since they do not contain alpha hydrogen. However, they undergo cross aldol concentration. With formaldehyde with acetaldehyde in presence of dilute NaOH goes aldol condensation, which is known as cross aldol condensation. It forms 3-hydroxypyropanol, which on hydrolysis gives acrylaldehyde. This is the prop-2-ene-1-ol. Now with benzaldehyde. Now benzaldehyde reacts with acetaldehyde in presence of dilute NaOH. This is also the cross aldol condensation. It forms 3-hydroxy 3-phenylpropanol, which on hydrolysis converted into unsaturated aldehyde. This is 3-phenylprop-2-ene-1-ol or cinnamaldehyde. Now mechanism of aldol condensation, which shows the acidity of alpha hydrogen. The formation of aldol proceeds through the following 3 equilibrium steps. First, the base OH ion. The base OH ion remove one of the alpha hydrogen atom, which is somewhat acidic, from aldehyde and ketones to form a carbene ion or a inostate ion, which is stabilized by resonance. Acetaldehyde reacts with OH. तो ये OH क्या करता है? OH ion remove the one alpha hydrogen atom from the aldehyde. रिमूव कर देता है ये हाइड्रोजन इसका और वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बना लेता है और जो स्पीसीज बनती है वो क्या होती है? कार्बेन आयन, जिसका स्ट्रक्चर इस तरह से होता है। ये दो रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर का हाइब्रिड है। दिस इज कार्बन आयन एंड दिस इज इनोलेट आयन। डबल बॉन्ड शिफ्टिंग है यहाँ पे। The acidity of alpha hydrogen is due to resonance stabilization of enolate ion. Now second step, the enolate ion, this is the strong nucleophile, attack the carbonyl carbon of second molecule of acetaldehyde which act as electrophile to form the anion. Acetaldehyde, this is the electrophile अटैक्ड बाय इनोलेट आयन, दिस इज न्यूक्लियोफाइल। यहाँ पे निगेटिव चार्ज है और यहाँ पे कार्बन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज, तब इसके ऑक्सीजन पे निगेटिव। नाउ दिस रिएक्शन इज फास्ट एंड फॉर्म्स एन आयन लाइक दिस, दोनों जुड़ जाते हैं और इस तरह का आयन बनाते हैं। इस इन स्टेप 3 दिस एनायन इज फॉर्म टेक्स अ प्रोटॉन फ्रॉम वाटर टू फॉर्म एल्डोल एंड OH आयन इज रीजनरेटेड, जो कि फर्स्ट स्टेप में जिसका यूज होता है। नाउ Cannizaro's रिएक्शन विथ कंसंट्रेशन एल्कली solution, this is known as Cannizzaro reactions. Aldehyde which do not contains alpha hydrogen atoms such as formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, when treated with concentrated alkali solution, undergoes self-oxidation and reduction reaction. That is disproportionation. In this reaction, one molecule is oxidized to corresponding carboxylic acid at the cost of other, which is reduced to corresponding alcohol. This reaction is called Cannizzaro reaction. Now, example. Formaldehyde with 50% NaOH solution forms sodium formate and methyl alcohol, and benzaldehyde with 50% NaOH forms sodium benzoate and benzyl alcohol. Thus, usual reason for bringing about the Cannizaro's reaction, 50% aqueous or ethanolic alkali ketones do not give this reaction. So this reaction given by only aldehyde. The mechanism of this reaction is here. The mechanism involves hydride ion transfer, and one possibility being as follows. In step first, OH ion from the alkali NaOH ion attack the carbonyl carbon to form hydroxy alkoxide. This is by the nucleophilic attack and anion. Now benzaldehyde, carbon attacked by OH group and forms anion like this. In second step, the anion first, जो यहाँ बना फर्स्ट स्टेप में, anion first acts as hydride ion donor to the second molecule of benzaldehyde. In the final step of the reaction, the acid and the alkoxide ion transfer H plus to the square stability. दोनों के बीच रिएक्शन होता है। तो ये हाइड्राइड ट्रांसफर जो कि स्लो रिएक्शन है, इसमें दो तरह का ये बन रहा है C6H5 बेंजोइक एसिड एंड दिस इज दी आयन। फर्स्ट रिएक्शन हाइड्रोजन आयन लूज करके ये बना लेता है साल्ट ऑफ बेंजोइक एसिड, और दूसरी तरफ ये फर्स्ट H प्लस ले करके बेंजोइल एल्कोहल बनाता है। Now Cannizzaro reaction involves same or different aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen atoms. For example, 2,2-dimethylpropanol reacts with 50% NaOH to form sodium 2,2-dimethylpropanoate and 2,2-dimethylpropane-1-all. Now, glyoxylic acid, this is the CH double bond O, COOH is a glyoxylic acid, not glyoxylic acid reacts with NaOH to form sodium oxalate and sodium glycolate and H2O. Now this reaction involves same or different aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen atoms. Now crossed Cannizaro's reaction with two different aldehydes when one of them formaldehyde on treatment with aqueous alkali solution, then it is formaldehyde that undergoes oxidation. Now benzaldehyde and formaldehyde both reacts with 50% NaOH solution. It forms sodium formate and benzyl alcohol. Now 2-methyloxybenzaldehyde, that is N-acetaldehyde, with formaldehyde reacts with NaOH to form sodium formate and para-methoxybenzyl alcohol. This is para-methoxybenzyl alcohol. This reaction is called crossed Cannizzaro reaction. So all the above reactions are example of intermolecular Cannizzaro reactions. When the reaction takes place between two molecules of the same or different aldehydes. In internal or intermolecular Cannizzaro reaction, half part of the molecule is reduced and half part of the same molecule is oxidized. For example, glyoxal, that is CHO दो होता है ये glyoxal on treatment with strong alkali forms glycolic acid. Glyoxal reacts with NaOH. First is form sodium salt of glyoxal, and when react with dilute HCl it forms glycolic acid. Now phenyl glyoxal like this reacts with NaOH to form aromatic acid. On the other hand, aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen atom when heated with concentrated alkali give brown resinous mass called aldehyde resins. Acetaldehyde, when treated with concentrated NaOH, it forms aldol. This is the aldol. When heated, it loses water molecule and forms crotonaldehyde, and this further reacts with acetaldehyde to form this compound, and when heated this is the unsaturated aldehyde. इस तरह से ये aldehyde molecules आपस में कंबाइंड होते जा रहे हैं अनसेचुरेशन की तरफ, और इस तरह से अगला कंपाउंड बनता है। इसमें एक डबल बॉन्ड है जबकि इसमें दो डबल बॉन्ड है। यहाँ ये फिर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल लूज करता है जैसे यहाँ पे किया था, और इसमें दो डबल बॉन्ड बने। नाउ दिस कंपाउंड इज further reacts with acetaldehyde and lose water to form this type of compound, and ये रिएक्शन जो है वो रिपीट होता जाता है और इस तरह से ये यूनिट जुड़ती जाती है आपस में। यहाँ इस कंपाउंड में 3 डबल बॉन्ड आ गए, पहले में कितना था 1, फिर इस कंपाउंड में 2 डबल बॉन्ड और तीसरे में इसी तरह से ये रिपीट होता है। फिर आगे रिएक्शन एसेटल्डिहाइड से रिएक्शन करेगा, हीट किया जाएगा तो फिर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल लूज करेगा और ये चेन लंबी होती जाएगी और जो कंपाउंड मिलेगा वो कहलाता है ब्राउन, वो कहलाता है रेजिन। और ये होता कैसा है, ब्राउन रेजिनियस मॉस होता है। कीटोन डू नॉट गिव दिस रिएक्शन बट फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड अंडरगो a repeated aldol condensation in presence of barium hydroxide or calcium hydroxide to form formose, which is a sugar with the molecular formula C6H12O6. Now formaldehyde in the presence of barium hydroxide forms 2 molecules of formaldehyde. In the presence of barium hydroxide, it forms glycolic aldehyde, which further reacts with formaldehyde. In presence of barium hydroxide, it forms this compound, और इसी तरह से रिएक्शन आगे बढ़ता जाता है तो कंपाउंड बनता है जो कहलाता है फार्मोज। दिस इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ sugar C6H12O6, the molecular formula of the compound. Now reaction with aluminium ethoxide. This is Tischenko's reaction. This is modified This is modified form of Cannizzaro reaction. All aldehydes with or without alpha hydrogen atoms undergo Cannizzaro reaction on treatment with aluminum ethoxide to form an acid by oxidation and alcohol by reduction, which combine together to form ester. For example, aldehyde in presence of aluminum ethoxide, it forms acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. Both react to form ethyl acetate. Now, propanaldehyde in presence of aluminum ethoxide, it forms propanoic acid and propanol. This is the propanol. Both reacts to form N-propyl propionate. Now, two molecules of benzaldehyde reacts in presence of aluminum ethoxide to form benzyl benzoate and acrolein, an unsaturated acetaldehyde reacts in presence of aluminum ethoxide to form allyl acrylate. This is the unsaturated compound. Now this reaction is called Tischenko's reaction. Now Perkin reaction. In this reaction, an aromatic aldehyde such as benzaldehyde, when heated with aliphatic anhydride containing two alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of sodium salt of corresponding acid, which is a base catalyst, condensation takes place and on hydrolysis an alpha beta unsaturated is formed. Now, for example, benzaldehyde with acetic anhydride. This is benzaldehyde. This is acetic anhydride and sodium acetate. Both are reacts in presence of sodium acetate. When heated, it forms condensation product which on hydrolysis or boiling with water, it gives cinnamic acid like this. Alpha beta carbon के बीच double bond. This is unsaturated acid known as cinnamic acid and acetic acid. The second example, benzaldehyde reacts with propionic anhydride in presence of sodium propionate. It forms alpha methyl cinnamic acid and propionic acid. It is always that only the alpha hydrogen atom of hydride are involved in the condensation. Now miscellaneous reactions, yeah, or some other reactions of aldehyde and ketone. First is benzoin condensation or reaction with alcoholic potassium cyanide. When aromatic aldehyde is heated with an ethanolic solution of potassium cyanide, two molecules of benzaldehyde undergoes condensation to form benzoin. This reaction is called benzoin condensation. This is the two molecules of benzaldehyde reacts with alcoholic cation on heating. It forms this type of compound known as benzoin. Benzoin can be readily oxidized to diketone, that is benzyl. Benzoin oxidized by copper sulfate and pyridine in presence of water. It forms this compound benzyl. Now reaction with ammonia. Except formaldehyde, other aldehyde forms addition products with an ethereal solution of ammonia to give aldehyde ammonia, which on heating decomposes to form aldimines, for example. Now, acetaldehyde reacts with ammonia in presence of ether. It forms acetaldehyde ammonia. This is the additional product, which on losing water on heating, it forms acetaldimine. This is the acetaldimine or acetaldiamine. However, formaldehyde reacts with ammonia to form complex product Hexamethylene tetramine C6CH2 whole twice 6 and 4, the molecular formula of this compound hexamethylene tetramine, which is also known as urotropin, used is as an urinary antiseptic. This is the urotropin formed by the reaction of formaldehyde and ammonia to form hexamethylene tetramine, which is used in urinary antiseptic as a urinary antiseptic and water. Nitration of urotropin under control condition gives an explosive RDX, research and development explosive. Acetone reacts with ammonia to form complex diacetonamide. Acetone, two molecules of acetone reacts with ammonia to form diacetamine. This is 4-amino 4-methyl pentane 2 on. This is the structure. Unlike aliphatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde on treatment with ammonia form different complex compound known as hydrobenzamide instead of usual addition product. Now benzaldehyde, two molecules of benzaldehyde and two molecules of ammonia. Here is three molecules of benzaldehyde, two molecule यहाँ पे एक molecule इधर है. तो 3 molecules of benzaldehyde reacts with 2 molecules of ammonia. It forms hydrobenzamide. This types of product, the structure of product is this and H2O. Now reaction with chloroform. Ketones condense with chloroform in presence of caustic potash to form addition chlorohydroxy compound. For example, acetone gives chloritone, which is used as a hypnotic acetone. This is the structure of acetone. Reacts with chloroform in presence of KOH to form chloritone. जिसका structure इस तरह से होता है. This is the most important reaction. The IUPAC name 1,1,1 trichloro 2-methyl propane to all. Aldehyde do not respond to this reaction. So this reaction shows by only ketone. Now reaction with primary amines. Aldehyde and ketones reacts with primary amine to form azomethanes, that is imines, known as Schiff base. Aldehyde with 1 degree amine, alkylamine तो ये एल्डिमाइन जिसको कि शिफ्ट बेस कहते हैं. Schiff base. Now benzaldehyde reacts with aniline. This is the amine, 1 degree amine. When warm, it's formed benzylidene aniline or benza-aniline or anis. This is a Schiff base. इसी तरह कीटोन 1 degree amine से केटीमाइन बनाता है. Now condensation reactions of acetone. Acetone forms a number of condensation products under different conditions. Two molecules of acetones together in presence of barium hydroxide to form diacetone alcohol. Two molecules of acetone reacts in presence of barium hydroxide to form diacetone alcohol, which is known as 4-hydroxy 4-methyl pentane 2-on. When diacetone alcohol is heated in presence of little iodine, methyl oxide is formed. This compound is heated with iodine. It forms methyl oxide or 4-methyl pent 3 into on. When acetone saturated with dry HCl gas is kept at low temperature for few days, it forms methyl oxide and Forone, which can be separated by distillation. Two molecules of acetone, when reacts with dry HCl gas kept low temperature for few days, it forms methyl oxide. Now 3 molecules of acetone, when react in presence of dry HCl for a few days, it forms 2,6-dimethyl hepta-2,5-di in 4-one. This is known as 4-one. When acetone is distilled with concentrated sulfuric acid, it forms mesitylene, like this 1,3,5 trimethyl benzene, which is known as mesitylene. Acetone, 3 molecules of acetone combined in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. It forms mesitylene. The structure of mesitylene is this. Now another important reactions of these compounds: polymerization. Polymerization of aldehydes and ketones gives a number of commercially and medicinally important compounds. Now, polymerization of formaldehyde. Paraformaldehyde. When an aqueous solution, 40% of formaldehyde is evaporated to dryness, a white crystalline solid with fishy odor is obtained. It is long chain polymer. इसमें मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड कंबाइंड होते जाते हैं, जिसमें कि यहाँ N जो है वो 6 to 50 तक हो सकता है. तो ये क्या कहलाता है? Polymer. On rapid heating, it gives back gaseous formaldehyde. When formaldehyde solution 60% is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, a white solid polymethylene, that is CH2 whole and H2O form, like this. Yes, these are the polymer, and here N is the more than less than 100. This on heating gives black form. This give on heating gives back. This is reversible reaction. ये भी reversible reaction है. Heat करने पे ये दोबारा formaldehyde देता है. Now metaformaldehyde, on warming formaldehyde gas to stand at room temperature, it slowly polymerizes to metaformaldehyde. This HCH whole thrice. It is a white solid. This on heating gives back gaseous formaldehyde. This is also a रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन. तो फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड 3 मॉलिक्यूल ज्वाइंट हो गए मेटा फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड या ट्राई ऑक्सेन बनाते हैं, विच ऑन हीटिंग अगेन गिव्स फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड. द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ट्राई ऑक्सी मेथिलीन इज दिस. इस तरह से होता है इसका स्ट्रक्चर. Now polymerization of acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde undergoes polymerization forming different products under different condition. पहला है paraldehyde. 3 molecules of acetaldehyde is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid at room temperature. It forms paraldehyde. This is trimer, and the structure of paraldehyde is like this. This is the cyclic trimer. It is a pleasant smelling liquid, boiling point 397 Kelvin. It has cyclic structure. And when heated with dilute sulfuric acid, it changes again into acetaldehyde. It is used in the medicine as a hypnotic and soporific sleep producer. These medicines are sleep producing. Name of the medicines: hypnotic and soporific. Now metaldehyde. Acetaldehyde on treatment with dry HCl. Acetaldehyde on treatment with dry HCl on heating is sublime, but change it again into acetaldehyde with distilled with dilute sulfuric acid. It is used as solid fuel. Now acetaldehyde, 4 molecules of acetaldehyde when treated with dry HCl or with concentrated sulfuric acid, it forms a cyclic tetramer, which is known as metaldehyde. इस तरह का स्ट्रक्चर होता है इसका. It is used for killing slugs and snails. Now reaction with alcohol. Aldehydes combined with alcohols in presence of dihydrogen, chlorine gas forming first hemiacetal and then acetal. This is the dialkoxyalkane. Aldehyde and ethyl alcohol both react in presence of dry HCl. This reaction is reversible. It forms acid hemiacetal, uh, which further reacts with alcohol in presence of dry HCl. It forms acetal. दोनों ही रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन है और ये जस्ट रिवर्स कंडीशन होने पे वापस एल्डिहाइड और एल्कोहल बनाते हैं. द रिएक्शन इज रिवर्सिबल and thus large excess of alcohol is used to shift the equilibrium in favor of acetal formation. Ketones do not react with alcohol. This reaction is not observed in and this reaction is not observed in aldehyde, means formaldehyde, not aldehyde. Now, wetting reaction, conversion of aldehydes and ketones to alkenes with the help of alkylidene, that is methylene triphenyl phosphorus. This is wetting reagent, is known as wetting reaction. Aldehyde reacts with methylene triphenyl phosphorus. When heated, it forms propene and triphenyl phosphine oxide. And acetone reacts with this compound. This is methylene triphenyl phosphorus. When heated, it forms 2-methyl propene. Now, Reformsky reaction. This reaction involves the treatment of aldehyde or ketones with alpha bromo acid ester in presence of metallic zinc to form beta hydroxy ester, which can be easily dehydrated into alpha beta unsaturated acid. The reaction beta bromomethyl acetate, when reacts with zinc in presence of benzene, it forms orange zinc compound. Now, addition to carbonyl group, acetone reacts with this compound. जो यहाँ रिएक्शन में ये बना था, ये आर्गेनोजिंक कंपाउंड. अब ये एडिशन एसीटोन से रिएक्शन करता है तो बताता है इंटरमीडिएट एडक्ट लाइक दिस. एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ द एडक्ट. अब इस एडक्ट की एसिड हाइड्रोलिसिस करने पे ZnBrOH अलग हो जाता है और बनता है बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी ईस्टर. अब इस बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी ईस्टर का डिहाइड्रेशन करते हैं H2SO4 के साथ तो बनता है अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड ईस्टर. तो ये स्टेप पे रिएक्शन हो गया. रिएक्शन क्या था? रिफॉर्मर्स की रिएक्शन. इसमें बीटा ब्रोमोमेथिल एसीटेट जिंक से रिएक्शन करके ऑरेंज जिंक कंपाउंड बनाता है, जो एसीटोन से रिएक्शन करके एडक्ट बनाता है. इंटरमीडिएट दोनों का रिएक्शन होता है तो इंटरमीडिएट एडक्ट बनता है. दिस एडक्ट ऑन हाइड्रोलिसिस गिव्स बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी ईस्टर and dehydration of beta hydroxy ester to give alpha beta unsaturated ester. Now, Novengel reaction. This reaction involves condensation between active methylene group and carbonyl group in presence of base, that is pyridine, to form alpha beta unsaturated compound. Now, acetaldehyde reacts with, this is the malonic acid, CH2 के साथ 2 COOH group जुड़े हैं. Malonic acid, in presence of pyridine, it forms this type of adduct which on heating loses carbon dioxide to form protonic acid. Now, benzaldehyde reacts with malonic acid in presence of pyridine. It forms this adduct which on heating gives cinnamic acid. Now, Smith reaction. This reaction between carbonyl compound and hydrozoic acid in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. Now, aldehyde reacts with hydrozoic acid in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. It forms N-methyl formamide like this and nitrogen is produced. Acetone reacts with hydrozoic acid in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. It forms N-methyl acetamide. Now test of aldehydes and ketone. With Schiff reagents, aldehyde gives pink color, ketone no color. With failing solution, aldehyde gives red precipitate, ketones no precipitate. Wilt-Tollern reagent, aldehyde gives black precipitate of silver or silver mirror is formed, but ketones no black precipitate or silver mirror is formed. With saturated sodium bisulfide solution in water, aldehyde crystalline compound form, but ketone crystalline compound colorless is formed. जो ये रिएक्शन दोनों ही सारे ही रिएक्शन जिस तरह से है. Now with 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrogen, aldehyde gives orange, yellow or red self-defined crystal with melting point characteristics of individual aldehyde. जबकि कीटोन ऑरेंज येलो या रेड वेल डिफाइंड क्रिस्टल विद मेल्टिंग पॉइंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ इंडिविजुअल कीटोन्स. अब डिफ्रेंशिएट करने के दो रिएक्शन है, बल्कि एक ही है. विथ सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, एल्डिहाइड गिव्स ब्राउन रेजिन्स मॉस बट कीटोन्स गिव नो रिएक्शन. With sodium nitroprusside and few drops of sodium hydroxide, aldehyde gives deep red color. That is, formaldehyde does not respond this test. But in ketone red color आता है, लेकिन ये चेंज हो जाता है ऑरेंज कलर. तो इस तरह से ये सेम रिएक्शंस करीब करीब होते हैं सारे. एक दो रिएक्शन जो टेस्ट हैं उससे हम दोनों को अलग कर सकते हैं. तो these are the reactions of aldehyde and ketone. तो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल भी हैं, लेकिन लिख लिख करके याद करोगे, बार बार पढ़ करके, तो रिएक्शन याद हो जाएंगे. और एल्डिहाइड की केटोन में रिएक्शन ज़्यादा भी हैं और इम्पॉर्टेंट भी हैं.